You're out of time. Make this easy and delicious recipe. For this recipe, we are going to be adding 2 eggs to a container. Add 20 milliliters of milk, a spoonful of salt, and we're going to hit it really well. And guys, you're already commenting on me. From which city are you watching us? I'm going to send a super special hug to each of you who are commenting. I'm going to be taking the edge off these buns, right? Which is to stay like this, just the core part, right? I'm also going to cut a tomato into very thin slices. Like this, and now I'm going to spread cream cheese on the bread. Add a slice of ham, a slice of mozzarella cheese, then the tomato, and add another slice of bread and repeat the same process. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Ava, who lives there in New York. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. Alright, I've closed the bread here. He stays that way. Now let's move on to our omelette, shall we? That we prepared at the beginning of the video. Also pass the thread, but it is optional. But it gets much more delicious. He stays that way. In an additional frying pan, a spoonful of butter, wait for the butter to melt. Add our bread. When you've roasted on one side, just turn to roast the other side. And then the edges like this. And that's it, folks, our bread is ready and it's super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. So if you liked it, share it and even get closer.